the sun, here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Good morning, everyone. Today is a very fun day. We are doing a cookie challenge Christmas party with some of my boyfriend's friends, and everyone has said wonderful things about my gluten-free vegan pumpkin cookies. I'm absolutely obsessed with them, and I really feel like I've mastered them, so I'm going to be making a double batch to bring to the party. It isn't a requirement to make homemade cookies. Some people are definitely going to be bringing store-bought cookies. So me and my boyfriend are going to be making our own homemade cookies. He's making his own, I'm making my own, and that's the plan today. Today's vlog is probably going to be a little bit shorter than normal, but festive, because Christmas cookies. Cookie baking is going really good. Like I said, I'm making my vegan gluten-free pumpkin cookies that have just been a winner this holiday season. This since fall, I've been making these. They're so good. Jackson is making some bourbon molasses maple bacon cookies, pretty sure, which sound awesome also. But there's only gonna be one winner, and we'll have to see whose that will be. Okay, Google, set a timer for 10 minutes. I doubled my batch, and I'm just now getting to the end of it. It was a lot. We are currently watching Elf, as we do during the holiday season. It just felt right and kind of put us in the holiday mood. And the tree is lit and looking absolutely stunning. The party's not until much later tonight, so we get to just kind of like relax and bake all day and not have to get ready until later.